Welcome, this is NABjr, aka Nick, and today we're actually starting off a series called the Super Sand Games. The Super Sand Games is a weekly competition in which we will be competing against each other to find out who the real Super Sand champion is. This will be, like I said, a weekly competition. Every week we'll be playing a different game, and whoever ends up winning the week before decides what game we'll be playing. As well as what we'll be playing in the movies of Virginia. So that's just us pretty much watching movies between ourselves. For the participants taking place as part of the Super Sand Games, we'll have Phantom.EXE, aka Andy, TickiTavi, aka Ricky, Destroctokon, aka Izzy, and last but not least, NABjr, aka me, aka Nick. So let's get right to it. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the series. So for this week, we're actually playing Shotgun Farmers. So Shotgun Farmers is a first-person shooter that revolves around being a farmer, and you essentially kill other farmers. And the nifty thing about it is that you have a limited amount of bullets, and then to get another weapon, you essentially have to grow them. And so after time, they grow, and then you get more bullets. So you just plant, and then you harvest. And you see I only got one bullet, so you have to wait for it to be longer. Check out some highlights. Later.
I feel like there has to be a run button.
You run faster when holding your shovel, that's why.
Yeah, I learned that. And then I saw how much faster it was, and I was like, oh, that makes sense.
Whoa, bro.
Oh, what the?
Hey, got him! Got him! I need my shotgun. Where's my shotgun? No!
That's kind of big.
For 4
The
people.
map is pretty big, dude.
Oh my god, Izzy! I was waiting to get the right angle. Get out of here, Andy!
Where's everybody?
I
almost-
racking up kills.
What? Come back to my rooftop, Nick.
Oh no, Ricky got me in the crossfire between my...
Oh no! Yeah,
Oh,
shit.
Izzy!
There's...
What? Where did you kill? Oh my god!
You asked for it.
It's a three-way tie.
No! What the hell? Got your ass! Oh no!
Oh, baby! Oh, damn it.
Ricky, they're behind you!
Ah!
Like that.
You Nick!
Like that.
Someone's... Dude,
Izzy!
stop that.
Come over here, Izzy!
I'm not going to.
No! Izzy, I need you to come over here. Come boost with me.
Come boost with you? Hey, you're just trying to shoot me, huh?
Who the fuck was invisible?
Me!
Damn it!
Izzy
I
has
wasn't
run
invisible.
one.
Damn it! I almost had it! Oh, I guess you get 1 point. Izzy.
You guys
Excited, dude.
Dude, look at this comeback right here. 9 kills, dude. I was on a rampage. I was like, kapat shovel, kapat shovel.
I kept getting...
Izzy, do you have a movie ready for this Saturday?
Oh, calm down. He has 1 win.
He has one.
Maybe you can say that once he has 2.
Sounds so gas.
Ooh, the beehive movie.
Oh, other farmers can't hear you when you're crouching.
How do you crouch?
Dude, farmers always hear me.
I'm dead. No.
Did he kill you?
Oh. How do you
No!
crouch?
What? No!
Muerte.
Yeah, your flamethrower still killed me. Damn it, I have 2 people after me.
Oh, what? Oh, I got so scared with you. Ah, damn it.
Damn it, Andy! For me!
Wait, what gun was that? It's your chaffle gun?
Damn it!
Why are you exposing me? I can't
Oh,
get your
fuck.
gun.
No, damn it. Is it you and that fucking flamethrower? I shit you not.
This is the second time I picked it up. Jeez, I'm trying to just live and everybody's killing me. Or trying to at least.
Oh my god, I just spawned.
So did I.
Oh, I can hear footsteps.
No, you can.
He's like
Very
grunting.
suspicious. I wasn't paying attention for them, but yeah, there's footsteps in this game.
Oh my
I
god.
still killed somebody.
I wish you could have 2 guns.
Oh shit.
Where is it?
You got some HP?
I did. Bitch, die!
There's a fight between me and you. Where are you
No.
going?
Gotta go find a weapon.
There's a fight
No!
between me and
Damn
you.
it.
Can't find
Nobody
anybody.
else.
Ah, fuck you, Izzy!
30 seconds left.
Oh
That was
gosh.
fucking Izzy.
I wasn't.
And then comes Nick in from behind.
I didn't.
Get out. See?
Got him.
I died with no hit.
Damn it, I lost again. Is it too? So what are you thinking? Is it what kind of movie are you thinking?
Hey, calm down, calm down. He only has 2 wins.
Sound like
This
it's
is
3.
offer all the marbles to decide who gets the privilege to choose the movie.
Not really. If somebody else wins, then it's not all the marbles.
Well, if somebody else wins. You think you can do it, Andy? You
Ooh,
think
you know what?
can win?
If you stop coming from behind, maybe.
But if you stop coming from behind me, then maybe I can win.
If you
You
stop
sound-
shooting me from the front, maybe I can win.
It sounds like everybody's dying from people.
Round 3.
And in front of them.
At the front.
Ricky's a special case, though.
Yeah. I don't want to go. Ah!
And he's on the bell tower.
Someone was invisible.
That's probably.
It was Nick.
Nobody was invisible.
Pepper.
You can
The S-
melee
Oh,
with
fuck!
a. You
With
can
the
melee with your gun.
Damn it!
I traded with
Oh, you
Nick.
can?
Hey, where is it?
I'm having a 1v1. I'm losing. Oh my god! Dude,
Maybe let's see. Chili power.
damn it, Izzy!
Oh, somebody's shooting at me with a bow and arrow. Ah, fuck you!
I would have shot you the first time, but you missed the jump. And then you didn't go.
Damn it, Izzy! Do you want Ricky?
This that scared me.
Dude, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Ah!
That's it.
Why do you have so much freaking armor?
Watch out, Izzy has a sniper. He's gonna go to the bell tower.
Ooh, would you like that?
I wasn't doing anything, Andy.
Oh my god!
Feels like
Oh.
trying to kill
Yeah,
something
finally.
you can't. Why are you two fighting with shovels?
Cause we're the shuffle gang!
Oh no! I ran out of ammo because I missed.
Izzy!
Damn it!
Oh.
We got 1 minute on the clock, Nick's in last place.
Someone's invisible.
Maybe he'll win.
There's no possibility for Nick to come back.
At 6 feet.
I'm gonna kill you!
Ah, fuck you, Nick!
Damn it, Ricky!
No!
Double kill.
I
Yeah.
spent the last minute running away.
I barely
Trying to
got
find a
any
gun.
kills.
Round 4.
There's only 4.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about this game.
I can't vouch for that one.
Fuck you. Stop following me!
It's not me! I mean, that wasn't him. It's me.
Damn it!
First person shooters?
It's keyboard, yes.
Why don't you use a controller? It doesn't have controller support.
I don't think so. I think I tried it.
None of this.
Are you kidding me? I walked into it.
I killed someone with that?
I walked into it. I thought it takes longer to explode.
Oh, fucking Nick.
Don't mind if I do.
Visible, watch out.
You got me. I didn't get him with the grenade this time.
Ah, he got me too.
What the?
No,
Nick,
no,
I just spawned.
Ah,
Damn it. Dude, I got this watermelon gun when it's ripe.
I don't mind if Nick wins. I can't let Izzy win.
Nick, no, okay, I'm not
Stop
very good.
following me. I'm really bad at this.
I can't hit anybody anymore.
Ah, fucking Nick. Nick's winning.
Oh!
And Gacho.
Oh no, you're invisible, you bitch!
No! Damn it! I picked up the gun.
Everybody's just killing each other.
Oh no! Who's after me?
Ah, fucking Izzy.
Ah, Nick, nobody's after you. 2 bullets. Who cultivates this trash?
I don't know, it's like
Watch out, it's
pending
Nick.
it. Oh!
No, I need to get a kill, Andy's beating me. No, Ricky! You're not supposed to kill me! This is my game!
No!
Well, I lost.
This is my chance!
I lost.
My
What are you talking
chance!
Alright, so Izzy and I are at the victory point.
Don't need Andy to choose to movie again. Other than be like 2 weeks in a row.
Movies with Virginia Master.
Final round.
Dark side.
This is the one we started with, Ricky. Come down.
Sounds.
Yeah, I know that.
Yo, is the music suddenly very loud for y'all?
It is very loud.
Yes.
Dude, I just see like regular flamethrower. No, you're not.
Ah!
Hero
Dang, you
medicine,
killed me
sir.
super quick with that.
No, there's another person here!
Dodged all that shit pretty good.
Let's show.
Move!
Someone's here.
Nick! Bitch, I only had a sniper.
I only carry a normal weapon. Oh no! I. What fucking bullshit? I fucking hit you! That's fucking bullshit!
You ain't the
Oh no, I'm out of ammo.
Oh my god.
I can't get anything.
Ricky, kill him, Ricky. Ah, fucking Nick.
Is that pea shooter one shot?
Dude.
Oh!
Team.
Nice.
Fuck you, Andy!
Damn it, Andy.
Ah,
Sniper.
fucking Izzy.
Another sniper? Oh,
I can't hit anything.
don't worry, I can't either.
Let me see, let me see. Oh, I got sniped.
Andy's just sniping, dude.
No. Andy is the winner.
Oh gosh.
Andy has won the Virginia Championships for this week.
The movies with Virginia champion Andres Days.
It ain't much, but it's honest work.
Hey, well, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the content, and hopefully you look forward to the series. This is the first time we're doing this, so let's see how it goes. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and see y'all next time in the next save point. Laters.